everyone. Thank you so much for tuning in for another episode. Today we're going to be making homemade hummus. So I make my own chickpeas. We don't buy the cans. This is my jar that I've already prepared them. I cooked them yesterday. And Loka's going to be helping us today. Loka, say hi.
Hi.
Alright, so this is a really simple recipe. You can kind of adjust it how you like it as far as taste-wise goes. But I'm going to show you the basic recipe, and then you could always add in like chives or anything like that to add a little extra taste. We're not a huge fan of them, so we don't add them in. So I'm going to just show you the basic recipe, right? Not a huge fan. Okay. Alright, so first...
Why do you put it in the seat?
So first, we are going to do our chickpeas.
Chickpeas.
So you're supposed to use about a 15-ounce can of chickpeas. So I'm going to kind of see what I can do here.
I'm going to hold it. Now squeeze these in.
So
Try squeeze these in.
start with that.
Try squeeze these in yet?
Not yet, babe. And then you need about 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. So we have our garlic press. Luca likes to do that. We have about 3 garlic cloves in there. Not super big ones. Okay, let's do it together, just to get it started, okay? And then you can do it. Okay, so squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Right, let me put it back here really quick. Okay.
Let me do it now.
All right, go ahead, squeeze. All right, let's scrape it on the side. Make sure we get all of our garlic in. Smells like garlic. Our hands are nice and clean before we do this, just so everyone knows. We make sure we wash our hands always before we cook, right? And what else? We always tie our hair back, right?
So we don't get hair in
We always tie our hair back.
Yeah, so we don't get hair in our food.
Except I don't have my hair tied back, but Loka always has her hair tied back.
Yeah.
All right, so the third thing that we're gonna do is a 1/4 cup of lemon juice.
Lemon juice.
So we have a citrus press, so we're gonna squeeze this.
Let me press it.
Okay, go ahead. So depending on your lemon, some are juicier than the others. Let's get it started together, okay? There we go. I would say about a half a lemon normally gets you 1/4 of a cup. But if you like it extra lemony like we do, I add in a whole lemon.
I like extra lemon too.
Extra lemon. All right, let's do the other one.
Okay, you squeeze it really little bit. I'll do the rest.
All right, you do the rest. Okay, once Loka's done with that, we're going to add in 1/4 cup of tahini. So my tahini, going to add that in. Is that good, babe? Right, just remember, we don't want to get the seeds in there, okay? So, okay, let's take that out. Thank you. Fill this up.
Put that in.
Sure. Say hi, everybody.
Hi, everybody.
Do you love this hummus recipe?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's really yummy.
Me too.
And Loka's really picky about her hummus, right?
No, I'm not.
You're not?
I'm not picky.
All right, pour this in. Okay, once we get the tahini out, easy. If you need a spoon, you can use a spoon, okay? We're gonna do 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil.
Mommy, I'm not ready.
Okay, take your time. I'm gonna get some seasonings.
Okay, you need seasonings, right?
Yeah.
First, we need seasonings.
Yes, we need the seasonings, of course.
Did you pause that?
Yeah.
Can I still talk to them? Who are
Be
you
careful,
talking
okay? All right, so do you need help with that, Lux? Because we gotta use this for one other thing. Oops, okay. I don't know if you're gonna like tahini by itself. Do you?
So yucky.
Okay. Yeah, tahini by itself.
Doesn't taste that
Not
good.
so great.
No.
Okay, all right, so now we're gonna do the olive oil, 1/4 of a cup.
1/4 of a cup.
Nice and gentle. All right. That's it, babe. We don't need it. Nope. Okay. All right.
And we always need to mix it.
And now the next thing is 1 teaspoon of cumin.
Cumin.
Yes.
Cumin, right?
Okay, you want to dump this one in when I'm ready?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, dump that in. Dump the whole thing in. Okay, and then you need about a half of teaspoon of sea salt. Again, we always use the pink Himalayan salt. We have the grinder, so I'm kind of just gonna eyeball it to what I think a half a teaspoon is.
Mommy, I need to talk.
Okay,
Mommy, I
do
need to
that.
talk a second.
Okay, what do you want to say?
We always need a mixer, right?
Well, actually, when we have the blender,
Yeah.
who does
we
the
don't
mixing?
need to mix it.
Nah, yeah, you don't have to mix it when we have the blender.
Nope.
So, all right, so everything's in there right now. That's about what it looks like in there.
Yep.
We're gonna push this garlic down,
Yep.
and
And
we're gonna start blending it up. I'll show
I'm
you guys what it
gonna
looks like.
start blending it.
All right, guys, so got it all ready on my blender. I'm gonna start blending it up. And you gotta plug it in. I forgot to do that. All right, so something that I do to make it like a little extra creamy, and Loka really likes it, is I use about 1/4 cup of filtered water. So I'm gonna throw that in right now and show you guys. It'll blend up a little bit easier. All right, so let's pour that in. Okay, and we'll get it blended up again. Let me check out the consistency. So it's still not as creamy as I would like it to be, so I'm gonna add probably another 1/4 cup. Again, play around with it, see how yours comes out. I don't measure the chickpeas, so it could be a little bit more, a little bit less. So kind of start with 1/4 cup, see how it goes, and always add more in. I'm gonna add another 1/4 cup. All right, it looks good to me. You're gonna probably have to scrape down the sides and stuff of your blender, but it looks like that. So the great thing about making homemade hummus is a lot of times it is hard to find it with simple ingredients that don't include citric acid or a bunch of other ingredients that, you know, are different than what I just put in. It's just stuff that you can find in your house, so you know every ingredient. You can make sure it's organic. You can make sure it's stored in glass. And the best part about it is that you could just store it in one of your glass jars that we showed you how to save, instead of having to constantly keep contributing to throwing away another plastic container. So those are pretty much the reasons why we do it. It's super simple. It really takes no time. Again, another great recipe where you can include your kids in doing it with you. She loves hummus, so it's nice to have her participate in this. But yeah, so that's pretty much it. Again, it's simple and it stores in the fridge for, I would say, at least a week. We normally eat it before then, so I don't know if it would go bad after that. But just make sure you put it in a glass jar with a nice tight lid, and take out the portions that you guys want to use. It's great on sandwiches to dip veggies in. We make a really yummy wrap with it. But it's really, the options are endless with it. You can put it even, there's a pasta recipe that I've made with it before. So really a lot of different things you can do with it. I hope you guys enjoy it, and please stay tuned for another episode. Loka wants to say bye to everybody. Say bye.
Bye.
See you again next time.
See you again next time.
All right, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Again, we have so much coming up, lots to show you guys, and good ways to be resourceful and to help better yourselves and better our planet. All right, guys. Have a great day.